Indices. What is an index? If you have a term like this, x squared, so this is a positive index, x minus 2, negative index, x0, so this is a 0 index. All of these are known as indices. There are 6 rules for indices. Note the first rule, a to the power 0 is 1. A to the power minus m can be rewritten as 1 over a to the power m. Not when you add an indices, when you subtract an indices, when do you multiply an indices, and the last one where you can have the root to the power n of an index. All the examples are given below each and every rules. In this first example here, you have the terms 5 to the power 0 plus 5 to the power minus 2. You are required to simplify it. So if you look at the first term here, 5 to the power 0, you can use the first rule to simplify it and get answer 1. Second term, 5 to the power minus 2, you can use the second rule here. When you simplify it, it becomes 1 over 5 to the power squared, which is same as 1 over 5 times 5. Then you can go through the mathematics of it, and eventually you get the answer 26 over 25. Recall where you have two terms like this multiply together, you add up their index. Two terms like this divided together, you minus their index. So over here we have a division of two terms, so that's why you minus their index. And here this whole term is multiplied by another term here, that's why you add this value into the index. And because it is minus 3, so it becomes like plus minus 3 gives you minus 3 over here. Solve it, you'll get all the answers eventually as 1 over 2, 4, 3. In this example, you will notice that this term here can be simplified using this rule here, where you multiply the index together. This term here can be simplified using this rule here. Then solve it, you eventually get this answer as 2, 6, 4. This is a equation problem to find the value of y. If you notice that over here, root 16 can be rewritten as 4 to the power 2. And if you look at this term here, you find that you can simplify it by using this rule here. Okay, so this is what we have done here. So once you simplify the whole thing, you can find the value of y. Eventually, it turns out to be 4 over 5. In this problem here, we are trying to find out the value of y. You notice that on this side of the equation, you have 1. And then if you can recall that anything to the power 0 is 1. So we are trying to make the base, which is 2, to be the same as that on this side. So we can then convert 1 into 2 to the power 0. Essentially, these two, it's the same. So with that, then we can only look at the indices on top here and then solve the problem. So this is what we have done. We turn down the indices on this line and then factorize it to eventually get the answer to be minus 2 or minus 1. Okay, now time to practice some questions on your own. So I've given you 6 questions here. Answers are given here. So you can practice on your own and see if you can get the right answer. If you're not sure, you can always write to me, contact me over here, and I'll be glad to answer any questions that you may have. Thank you.